In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your CFA badge to your LinkedIn profile. This can be a fantastic way to showcase your qualifications and accomplishments, helping you to stand out to potential employers or colleagues in your professional network. To start, open up your preferred web browser and type in LinkedIn.com in the address bar. Once you arrive at LinkedIn's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you've got your accounts linked, you can quickly sign in using Google or Microsoft. Otherwise, just enter your email and password associated with LinkedIn. If you've taken the extra security measure of enabling two-factor authentication, LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity. This typically involves entering a code sent to your phone, so keep it handy. It's a small step that provides added protection for your account. Now that you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen and you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it and choose View Profile from the drop-down menu. This action will lead you straight to your personal profile page, your dashboard for making updates and changes. Below your profile picture, you'll see a button labeled Add Profile section. Click on it and a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Recommended and select Add Featured. This is where you have the opportunity to highlight your CFA badge prominently. To add your badge, click on the little plus icon, then choose the option to add a link. Here, you'll need to paste your unique badge link from a credible source. This is like your digital certificate, proving your accomplishment. Once you've entered the link, hit Add. At this stage, a new section should appear, allowing you to input a title and description for your badge. When choosing a title, something specific like Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA Charter Holder, or similar terms would be appropriate. If you are still in the process of completing your CFA program, consider specifying the level you've completed, like CFA Program Level 1 completed. In the description box, offer relevant details, such as the year you received your charter or successfully passed an exam. An essential tip is to refrain from adding expected dates if you haven't officially passed an exam yet. This keeps your professional representation authentic and honest. Finally, once you are happy with how your new section looks, click the Save button to make your changes live. And that's it. You've successfully added your CFA badge to LinkedIn, enhancing your professional credibility. Remember, showcasing your accomplishments on platforms like LinkedIn is a great way to highlight your dedication and expertise as you move forward in your career.